Hello everyone! Today I'm sharing another ground beef recipe with you. This recipe is simple, versatile, and quick to put together. It does require a little forethought because of the bake time, but I like it because after I've put it into the oven to bake, I can continue to work in peace without fussing over supper. My pantry is rarely stocked with cream of chicken soup, so I used cream of mushroom soup. One of the ways in which this recipe is versatile is the veggie. The recipe says 2 cups of corn, and in this case I am using my homegrown corn, but it's leftovers from earlier this week. I would have no problem putting any cooked veggie in there that I wanted, such as peas, green or yellow beans, carrots, and possibly even broccoli or cauliflower, but those two I have not tried yet. Once this is all mixed, it's ready to be layered in the bottom of the pan. Give this a little wiggle and shake to level it out, and it's ready for some seasoning salt. I always think I'm over seasoning it, but that has actually only ever happened once. Then it's ready for cheese. While my ground beef was browning, I shredded the cheese that I would need. Again, this is where this recipe is so flexible because the shredded cheese can be swapped for cheese slices, either real or processed. Now I can arrange the tater tots on top. I was using up what we had left, so I ran out, but my hubby is trying to eat less carbs anyways, so it wasn't a big deal. Plus, later after it had baked, the uncovered area had shrunk. The tater tots are another aspect of this recipe that is versatile. I have put cubed potatoes, about 1-inch cubes, over top when I have not had tater tots available. That's it, guys. It can be served with a salad and or garlic bread if you like. Thanks so much for watching. Your views help me out a lot, and in return, I hope that you have been encouraged and inspired with another idea of what to put on your plate. Please subscribe if you haven't yet. Hit the bell for notifications so you won't miss anything, because it's springtime on the homestead and exciting things are happening for us. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below, and I look forward to bringing you our next video.